Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another Funko Pop haul unboxing. Yeah, man, I didn't pick up some more. I did it, and I actually finished like the complete Kingdom Hearts set with this unboxing. I think I'm missing like 2 like glow in the dark exclusives, like 2 or 3 glow in the dark exclusives, but it's like the same pop, they just glow. So whatever, you know. One of them is like really expensive, the other 2 is like easy to get. I'm just like whatever. But anyways, man, not finna talk our ears off, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video to review, Funko Pop haul pickup. Funko Pop haul unboxing. Whatever I do is subscribe to join the playback gang. Let's get straight into it. I don't know where to start off. I'm gonna start off with this. Most of these I already unboxed because on Mercari you have to unbox them, let them know it's in the great condition and it's all good, so they can get paid, so they can release their money. So I think this is, yep, this is, wow, man, Michael Jordan, the Target exclusive Michael Jordan, the rookie Michael Jordan, where he should have some type of fro on his head. But yes, this is the rookie Michael Jordan with him holding the basketball. Glad I could pick this up. I picked this up right before the price just shot up. So wow, this is real special, real dope as well. I got the other one too. I went to Target to get that one, and they had the Duncan, Michael Jordan Duncan in stock, and I just picked it up. I'm like, okay, cool, get it for retail. Okay, next box we have, wow, Organizational 13 Mickey Mouse. What is this? Super Convention Limited Edition 2018 Organizational 13 Mickey Mouse. Wow, this is what I needed to complete this whole set right here. This was the last one I needed to complete that whole set. Him holding the keyblade. I'm trying to figure out where I'm about to put all these pops at. Wow, and I'm just grabbing randomly just to clear the table off before stuff started falling. And we have here, wow, one of all-time classics, Space Jam. And if you don't know, Tasmanian Devil is my favorite Looney Tune. Favorite Looney Tune hands down, so I had to start off with Taz first and foremost. Favorite Looney Tune. Wow, there you go. This is Taz. I actually have his jersey. I don't have a white version, but I had a black version of his Space Jam jersey with the exclamation point. Fire too. I gotta find a way to rock jerseys. Jerseys ain't for me. I don't know. They're just not for me. And to complete this whole set, we have, wow, Miles Morales in that, you know, when he decked out his whole uniform and everything in the movie. I have the final uniform that he had on, final outfit he had on in the movie, and this completed this whole set right here. I have all of these in like the 2 off-brand ones that came out. Not off-brand, but you know, the off of this collection. So there you go, man. Miles Morales, Spider-Man, that black Spider-Man suit. That joint is fire. Hot fire like Dylon. What is this? Oh, I did that one already. And we have here, yes, okay, to complete another one, wow, you have the Goofy in that GameStop exclusive Goofy right here. Wow, and this completed this whole set. I have that regular one, I had to get the GameStop exclusive, then I had this regular one, I had to get the GameStop exclusive, I had that regular one, had to get the Walmart exclusive. Yeah, so yeah, this completed that whole set right there. Wow, definitely going into my Kingdom Hearts set collection over there. It's a huge, like, my Kingdom Hearts stuff like takes up a full wall almost. And this right here, I was so happy to get this one in. This one right here, this was like on the expensive side. Not really though, I wasn't playing no outrageous stuff, but wow, we have a Toys R Us exclusive Kingdom Hearts Sora, and this is him in the Brave form. Now the only reason this wasn't as expensive, I realized why I paid so little for it, but like this is up there when it comes to like expensive pops, and that's because of that. This was not shown on the pictures, it was just lower than all the rest of them, so I'm like, okay, sure. You know, I'm saying like expensive, like it costs a lot to even obtain this, but mine was cheaper because there's a hole in the box. I didn't know that before I bought it because they didn't show it before I bought it. So, but anyways, man, I was just trying to complete the set. Happy I can do that. So there you go. This is the hard part, trying to figure out where to put all these boxes. And in this box, I think this is a chase. No, it's not a chase. This is, wow, the box lunch exclusive version of that same Mickey. And my mom didn't see it. She's like, you got the same thing. Do you want me to send it back? I'm like, no, don't send it back. This one has a hoodie and the other one don't have a hoodie on. The other one is holding the key like in like a defense type of version, and he's just standing there like, what up? Like what's going on? What you on? I'm on the same thing. So yeah, this one is actually the hooded version. It's a little bit darker as well. The other one is lighter than that. This one like almost comes off orange or pale. But yeah, this one is definitely lighter than, I mean darker than the other one. Not pale, but you know, this one comes out darker than the other one. So there you go, box lunch, exclusive, organizational, Mickey 13. And this right here completes the whole LeBron set for me. Not completes it, but the Laker versions, yeah, wow. You have the white jersey, Laker, LeBron right there. Bling, blow, burr. So that completes the whole, all three of them have the yellow one, have the purple one. Here's the white one. I've seen this white one so many times, like everywhere. But I found it actually cheaper online. So I'm like, okay, why do I go to the store and pay $13 when I can pay like $9 right here? And it came in a protecting box. So there you go. And this right here, this was so hard to get. Wow. You have the three versions of the Tron. This is Sora, Goofy, and Donald in the Tron board. And it's a pop like this that glows in the dark. There's a pop like this, it glows in the dark. It's like, it's worth like $80 to like $100. I'm not paying that much for no pop. But wow, there you go, man. The Tron version of Sora, Donald, and Goofy. I think it's a chase too. It's a chase and it glows in the dark. This is dope. This is fire. This is pure fire. Like Dylon, 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 and Dylon. You know, that's fire like that. We have my personal favorite person to play with on the game, what used to be. And we have Bow, Scorpion, the Hot Topic exclusive Scorpion, man. Yes, the Hot Topic, the higgity tiggity. The Hot Topic exclusive Scorpion, man, with the skull flame. As you know, this actually like one of his fatality versions, or I think is it Deception? It's one of the Mortal Kombat. You can actually play with him as like the skull head, fire flaming skull head. You can actually play with him like that. But other than that, it's a fatality where he takes his mask off, skull's on fire, he burns you to death. So I forgot what Mortal Kombat was that you can play with the skull flaming head. But yeah, man, there you go, Scorpion. Wow. My favorite character, used to be my favorite character to play with. Now I play with Devora and Kenchi. And last but not least, to complete the whole Kingdom Hearts thing until they started dropping more pops, and that was Bow. This didn't complete it. This didn't complete it. Bow. This is Halloween Town Sora. This is so fire. This one was fire when I first seen it. I'm like, oh, I gotta get it. But the price was too crazy. Found one for a steal, couldn't pass on it. Copped it instantly. So there you go. Halloween Town Sora joint is fire. And we have, wow, another Tasmanian Devil, man. Tasmanian Devil, Tasmanian Devil. This is him actually in that crazy mode where he's spinning around, he messing up everything, he don't care about nobody. This is him. This is part of that Looney Tune pack. Eventually I'll probably go back and try to get the rest of them, like especially Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck. Those was my guys right there. So definitely them two, but other than that, you know, I'll go around try to get the other ones. But there you go, man. Tasmanian Devil in that spinning crazy motion. Last two. Ooh, schnitzel. Bow. This is the Chase one right here. To piggyback on the Space Jam, bow, we have the Chase version of Taz. Now, see, the only difference with the Chase version is it's the exact same thing. He's just mad. He's pissed he's pissed on this one. His teeth is showing. He's finna get ready to spin, go crazy, bust the ball, all that stuff. Y'all know how he did in the movie. He was going crazy. So this is that version. See, this is the regular version. Him just standing there with the ball. This is Chase version. He's standing there with the ball, but his teeth is showing. He's mad. So there you go. Found this, copped this for a steal. And last but not least is one more version of this, and boy, is the price in the hundreds. It's crazy. Not version of this, but it's the goofy version. And we have Bow, Halloween Donald. Yes, Halloween Donald, right there. And this is a what? Fall Convention 2017. Now you have a Halloween Goofy, and for whatever reason, that's like worth hundreds of dollars. This was too, copped it for a steal though. It was nothing wrong with it. Came in a pop protector and all, so I don't know. I copped it for a steal from like LA somewhere, and I couldn't pass on it. It was way under 100. Like all the rest of my scene was, the bid was starting at like 80, and then it ended up getting to the hundreds and all that, and then some bids started in the hundreds. So didn't want to do that. So yeah, I got to get the Donald version of this. I mean the Goofy version of this, and that will complete the whole Kingdom Hearts set until more pops of Kingdom Hearts start coming out. So yeah, man, that was it. That's the Funko Pop haul unboxing. The Funko Pop unboxing haul. Yeah, like I said, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.